Unveiling Idioms, Skimming the Fat. Hello and welcome to our English idiom series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, skim the fat. Understanding idioms can be a fun way to get more fluent and sound like a native speaker. So let's dive in and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Skim the fat is an idiom that comes from the literal action of removing the top layer of fat from soups, stews, or broths to make them leaner and healthier. In everyday language, it means to remove unnecessary or excess elements from something to improve it. This could refer to streamlining a business, simplifying a process, or even budgeting personal finances. The phrase, skim the fat, has its roots in culinary practices. Historically, cooks would skim the fat off the top of a broth to ensure the final dish was not too greasy. This practical kitchen task transformed into a metaphor used in various contexts, implying the removal of excess to improve the quality or efficiency of something. Let's see how this idiom works in different scenarios. In business, the company needed to skim the fat to survive the economic downturn, which meant cutting unnecessary expenses. Personal finance. After reviewing my spending habits, I decided to skim the fat and stop buying those expensive coffees every morning. Writing or speaking. Good editing often involves skimming the fat, taking out any words that aren't essential to your message. To use skim the fat correctly, it's important to associate it with the idea of elimination and improvement. You suggest that something is better off without the parts that have been removed. It's often used in contexts where efficiency, clarity, or purity is the goal. And there you have it. Skim the fat is all about cutting out the excess to make something better. We hope you found this video helpful and that you can now confidently use this idiom in your own conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.